So here's a controversial topic. And yeah, I know this topic is played out. And hey, I want to have the conversation. This is Kelson's Thoughts after all. And if you disagree with me, I would love to see you argue differently in the comments. But there's a difference between a man having a high body count and a woman having a high body count. And that difference is difficulty. It is far more difficult for a man to sleep with 50 women versus a woman sleeping with 50 men. And I know for a fact that this is true. If a man, here in Jamaica, we call him a gallus. If a man to have a high body count, he has to have something going on for him. It's either he's loud, he's very witty with his words, he's financially stable, or he has a reputation for something, but he has something going on as to why he is able to captivate women constantly and frequently. Versus a woman, this woman can be as average as possible, and this is not me saying there is anything wrong with average women, but what I am saying, a woman doesn't have to be a dolly, and who know me don't really like a dolly them, for reasons which I'm not going to, but a woman doesn't have to be a dolly for a check a bunch of man. A woman can literally be in her most natural state, a man will line up for sleep with her. I personally love women in their natural state. It's the most sexiest thing ever. So, anyways, but you get my drift. I'm sure you get my drift. And as I said, if you want to argue differently, I'm here for it. I'd love to hear your arguments. But yeah, it's difficulty.